Hi everyone, for those of you interested in knitting patterns, I have a new knitted tree topper angel this year. And you can find all the instructions, written instructions, and step-by-step photos on how to knit this easy tree topper angel. And for those of you who would be more interested in a crochet tree topper, I'm going to put the link at the very end of this video where you can go directly to the video on how to crochet this tree topper angel. And I also have the instructions on how to make the cone that you can stand her in. And it's a very easy pattern to make, and the wings are simply bows that are glued onto the back. And then she has this long braid of hair. So I put the link below, and you can go to my blog, and you'll find all the written instructions as well as a step-by-step photo tutorial on how to make this easy tree topper angel that you can also stand on a mantle or a table. So check the link below and go directly to my blog and find out how to knit this easy angel tree topper. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye for now.